Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, what I wanted to do is just share with you guys some new things that are currently in the house. It's not every time I get something new I vlog it, because sometimes it may just be one piece. So I have been picking up certain things here and there. So I think there's like enough things for me to kind of go over. So I'm gonna start with the living room, go up to the bedroom, and then I'll come back to the office. I do have an updated office tour coming up and also a office related video coming up. But I have some new buys I just wanted to kind of share with you guys. Some things I purchased, some things were gifted to me, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so first things first is this piece right here, and this is from Home Goods. Let me see how much it was. It wasn't a whole lot. It was $24.99. I love the color on it and the finish. It was just really, really beautiful and super simple. And I thought it was going to look really nice on the coffee table. So, of course, the minute I saw it, I just went ahead and I picked it up. The next thing is a consignment buy, which is this lovely beauty here. It almost mimics Michael Abram pieces, but it's not. So it is from a company called Star Home Design, and I only paid about $5 for it. When I went online, a very similar bowl was listed at, I think, about $150. So if I had to price this one, I'd price it anywhere between like $75 and about $100. And that right there, again, was a consignment buy that I picked up. And then this guy right here, I picked up from Haverty's. I just love the look and the feel of it. Again, I love adding in very subtle touches. The texture is just really beautiful, but it's very different from what I have on the coffee table. So what would end up happening is I can do this or this on the coffee table, and either or would work really nicely because the dark complements the horse, the brim complements the table, everything just flows really nicely. But again, I just do a mixture between the two. So the next piece is this bench, which is from Bernhard. If the wash on the legs and the fabric and everything looks a little familiar, that is because it is in the same family with my coffee table, which is the Bernhard Campagna. As you can see, the wash is very similar. Normally, I would have probably done a different wash on the legs, considering how close the two pieces are together. I got such a good deal on this bench. It was crazy. So these right here are, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say that they're the 18 by 18. Now these are very much the powder blue that I was looking for, and I absolutely love it. This is the color. The other one had more of a green. This one is definitely that blue gray. I know it seems really light, but once the insert comes in for it, you guys will see it. I really, really do love this a whole lot. It's just really pretty. If you are new here to my channel, some of my pillows, I go into Home Goods and all that stuff and I get the pillows, but these and some other ones are all custom. I went in, selected my fabric at an upholstery store, and once I selected my fabric, I then, hired a seamstress to go ahead and make my pillows. I just find that it gives my home a little bit of a personalized customization. It's not something that I see in everyone else's homes and stuff like that. So I do really love this a whole lot. I am just waiting for my downfill insert to come in so I can put it on my sofa. Let me see if I can just put one on the sofa. That way you guys can see. It's giving me that blue with no undertone of greens in it. So I really, really, really love the color. It's going to look really nice in the living room. I don't want to show you guys everything, but this is what it's gonna look like. It's really pretty, and it's good for spring too, if you're just doing a little spring refresh. So off to the floor right here is a basket. I know it looks small in the corner, but it is not. It's actually really big. Know why it looks like a little tiny miniature little basket, but it's pretty big. I'm going to change the throw out. I don't really care for that throw. You guys know what's on my list for this year to purchase. And then I am probably gonna go to Home Goods and just pick up some pillows, probably some like dark navy blue, some black, some cream, something to go in there just to have a really pretty look going on in the corner. I just felt like that corner was dead, but I saw the corner, and when I came in the house I was like, something needs to go right there. It just felt a little naked, and I'm not someone that likes something in every single corner of the house, but I did feel like this corner needed something. Let me move back just a little bit so you guys can see. All right, so right now this is me coming into the house, and you see, like, I was looking at the space and I was just like, something needs to go over there in that corner. It just wasn't sitting too well. So then I just said, let me put the basket there, let me put the bench there, make sure I measured everything and I had the spacings right and everything. And I really do love it. I think it looks good, but once the pillow and I change that throw out, I think it's going to be perfect. All right, you guys, I'm currently in my son's room. So the ottoman is new. I actually vlogged this a few months ago, but I don't think you guys got a chance to see that. I did take the TV out of his room just because school is in session and we need to study. If you hear any screaming, the kids are outside. His nightstand, everything is still looking good. The lamps, those are from Home Goods. And then the bedding is from Overstock. It is part of Ellen's line, which I really do love, you guys. It's just so nice. I actually even hauled the bedding pieces a few months ago also when I shared that. The throws and all that stuff is also from Overstock. I will say the hardest thing to do is to keep a growing boy's room clean, but we managed to make the bed before school and everything like that, so I do enjoy that. But his room just looks really, really good. Super simple, nothing crazy. If you guys know, I do have this family room right next door where they watch TV and do everything. I might just kind of pan in there, even though it's a whole mess, because the kids and the neighbors' kids are over right now. But this is everything, you guys. The bedding I purchased from Home Goods. This right here is from Home Goods. This right here and this is all from Overstock. So here is the family room. I am not going to clean it until tonight because, like I said, the kids are still playing. They're in and out of the house. But I just kind of wanted to show and share with you guys. This room is right next door to my son's room and my youngest one. So they come in here and they really play. Again, this is probably one of the rooms that I don't really care too much about keeping up and stuff because the kids have basically taken this room over with the toys, with everything like that. Downstairs, they already know all this stuff can't be down there. So they've pretty much taken this space over. All right, so that's pretty much everything. I don't think anything can really be linked right now. You can go to Home Goods and you can find the baskets every and anywhere. I wanted something that had a little bit more of that natural whitewash, gray wash on it. So that basket was perfect and it was definitely big enough. I know on camera, to me, it looked like it was coming across small. It can actually fit about 4 of my 22 by 22 pillows. So if that gives you an idea of how big it is, it's pretty big. Oh, I will be linking the bedding in my son's room. I really, really do love his room. I think the biggest thing for me is getting a bed of quality because my kids are real children. They jump on the bed, they're mischievous, they get into things, and his bed has been holding up. No issue whatsoever. The thing that I want to share with you guys in my office is, ta-da, drum roll. So I picked up these Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones, and you guys, these are amazing. Mind you, I've never been a Beats person whatsoever, but for Christmas, my oldest son, he was like, he really wanted Beats, really wanted Beats, really wanted Beats. And in all honesty, I really wasn't gonna get him the Beats because I think about 3 years prior, a young kid in our previous neighborhood ended up passing away because he had the headphones on his ear and he could not hear the train coming, and he passed away. And I just never really, I was like, do I really want to not hear what's going on outside? So for me, I just never really wanted to give it to him. Even now with him having it, I always say when you're outside, please just kind of take it off, and just so that way you can still hear someone's calling your name or something. And you know, I'm still super worried about it because it really does shut out the noise. But when it comes to YouTube, I think it's a really great mic. He actually took one of my small earbuds, broke it, and once he broke those, and I forgot the name of those, I don't remember, was it Bose? I don't remember the name, but they were just the ones that just kind of slide up in your ear. And I was editing and I'm just like, let me just use your headphones really quickly because I need to be able to like hear and also speak into my mic. And he let me use it and I was just like, oh, this is really good. I see why they're called like studio headphones, and I see why everyone's crazy about them, because theoretically, if you are a music maker, YouTube, you know, creative person, and you're needing to hear clear sound, oh my gosh, these things are amazing. So I definitely love these headphones. They're actually right here. I wanted to do all black because I do wear makeup, not all the time and not often, but definitely maybe once a week, you know, I'll do my face. Other than that, I don't have makeup on, but I didn't want to get a color that was going to get dirty, and makeup has the tendency to have like a dye, leave a dye on fabrics and things of that nature. So I didn't want to do that. So these are just super sleek. I didn't get the shiny one. I didn't, you know, you guys already know me, I'm pretty like simple, straightforward to the point. So all I did was I got the black matte ones, which I love, and pretty much, like I said, once they go over your head, and you know, my braids are in the way now, but I have to pull my hair all the way back. But these headphones are amazing. I charge them on my new computer system. It's just a really well-made headphone. It's super sexy, I ain't even gonna lie. And I'm not even into things like this, but these are amazing. Again, they come with the wire, the charger, and everything. And then the next thing is I have a second mic. I'll show you guys this one here. So I have this mic here, which was my first mic. Again, this was gifted to me. Then I have my second one. The reason why I have two is because I'm actually going to leave one upstairs, so when I'm up and down, I don't have to keep moving my mic. That's how I ended up losing my cord. So that is pretty much it for today's video. That is everything that I have been using that's been around the house for like maybe like a month or so, but because I was so busy with the pantry, I was not even thinking about hauling or doing anything like that. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're not already, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.